Every single night, your tired brain secretly forces you to stay awake, scrolling through those completely useless, endless online videos. You promise yourself just 5 more minutes, but suddenly realize 3 hours have vanished into the absolute dark night void. Your glowing phone screen acts like a powerful magnet, pulling your eyes back every single time you try looking away. Do not blame your weak willpower, because this digital trap was carefully engineered by the world's smartest paid tech neuroscientists. Millions of dollars are spent daily to discover new psychological hacks that keep your attention completely locked right in here. Your ancient biological brain never stood a single chance against this highly sophisticated, modern digital dopamine delivery slot machine system. Inside your skull, a silent battle is raging for your very consciousness, and you are currently losing it so badly. Let us dissect the exact machinery of this silent mental hijacking and reveal what is happening behind your own eyes. To understand this process, we must look closely at a tiny chemical messenger inside your head called the neurotransmitter dopamine. Most people think dopamine is the molecule of pleasure, but science proves it is actually about anticipation and intense desire. Dopamine does not reward you for getting something. It motivates you to go out and search for it endlessly, daily. Think of it as a biological compass that constantly points you toward resources essential for your ancient evolutionary survival needs. In the wild, finding food or information triggered a small spike of dopamine, which felt incredibly good to your ancestors. Today, you do not need to forage in the dangerous forest, because your screen offers infinite digital fruits instead, instantly. Every single swipe of your thumb is like pulling the lever of a highly optimized digital casino slot machine game. Will the next video be hilarious, shocking, boring, or educational? Your brain desperately wants to find out right now, immediately. This brilliant psychological mechanism is formally known in behavioral science as a variable reward schedule of continuous operant conditioning reinforcement. If you knew exactly what was coming next, you would get bored instantly and quickly put down your screen forever. But because the reward is totally unpredictable, your brain remains permanently hooked on the sudden thrill of the chase process. It is the exact same mechanism that makes gambling addicting, now scaled to billions of active daily smartphone users worldwide. Think of it as a digital slot machine nestled comfortably in your pocket, operating entirely free of monetary charge always. Except you do not pay with your hard-earned dollars. Instead, you pay with your precious, non-renewable human attention span daily. This trade is highly lucrative for companies who convert your precious attention directly into billions of online advertising dollars instantly. They keep refining their algorithms, studying your habits, to ensure you never find an easy, natural pause or exit point. This design removes all natural stopping cues, like the end of a physical book chapter or local newspaper page print. Now, the scroll never ends, and neither does your search, leading to a profound shift in your daily consciousness levels. Over time, this constant flooding of cheap digital dopamine begins to alter the physical neural pathways of your thinking brain. To protect itself from overstimulation, your brain starts reducing the number of active dopamine receptors in your physical head area. This means normal, everyday, real-world activities begin to feel dull, boring, and completely uninteresting to your overstimulated human mind now. Reading a book, taking a quiet walk, or studying complex science starts to feel like absolute painful mental torture indeed. This is why you feel a sudden wave of phantom anxiety whenever your phone is temporarily out of arm's reach. Your brain is panicking because it is experiencing a miniature form of chemical withdrawal from digital dopamine spikes right now. You reach for the screen not because you want to, but because your brain demands a quick chemical fix immediately. This is no longer amusement. It has slowly transformed into an automatic, unconscious survival instinct for your modern mind today. Look closely at how the interface of your favorite apps is meticulously designed to exploit these biological brain flaws directly. The infinite scroll mechanism ensures there is absolutely no resistance, friction, or pause between your individual video clip views tonight. As soon as one video ends, the next one automatically plays, capturing your attention before you can even think today. Even the action of pulling to refresh mimics the physical motion of playing a casino slot machine, lever down now. Even the action of pulling to refresh mimics the physical motion of playing a casino slot machine, lever down now. Your screen lights up with red notification badges because that color triggers an primal danger alarm inside human brains instantly. You feel compelled to clear the bright red dot, acting exactly like an obedient soldier following digital app commands daily. The algorithms monitor how long you pause on every image, tracking your subconscious desires with absolute analytical precision each second. They know when you are lonely, tired, or bored, and feed you content that exploits your psychological vulnerabilities right away. It is a feedback loop designed to keep you trapped, consuming, and ignoring the actual physical world all around you. And the scariest part is that we willingly carry this behavioral control device with us everywhere we go each day. Let us look at some shocking statistics that will make you want to throw your smartphone away immediately today. The average person scrolls through approximately 300 feet of social media content every single day of their life now. That is equivalent to scrolling the entire height of the Statue of Liberty daily with just your small active thumb. Over a year, you scroll the height of 20 Mount Everests, all while lying motionless on your comfortable living couch. Over a year, you scroll the height of 20 Mount Everests, all while lying motionless on your comfortable living couch. We touch our smartphones more than 2,600 times every single day, establishing a modern digital dependency pattern. That means your phone receives more physical touch and intimacy from you than any other human being alive on Earth. Your brain uses 20% of your body's energy, yet it wastes it chasing virtual internet notifications and digital likes. Social validation releases oxytocin alongside dopamine, turning online approval into an incredibly powerful and addictive chemical cocktail for you today. Every like you receive is a virtual pat on the back, making you feel validated by complete random internet strangers. We are social animals, and this technology hacks our deep evolutionary need to belong to a tribal human community daily. If you feel excluded online, your brain registers that pain in the exact same area as physical bodily injury today. No wonder we cannot stop checking. We are terrified of being socially isolated from the digital modern global tribe now. But this rapid digital connectivity is actually making us feel lonelier, more anxious, and deeply disconnected from real human life. Our attention spans have shrunk so dramatically that the average human now has less focus than a common goldfish does. Our attention spans have shrunk so dramatically that the average human now has less focus than a common goldfish does. A goldfish can focus for 9 full seconds, while we struggle to pay attention to anything for only 8 seconds. This constant habit of switching context is destroying our ability to think deeply or solve complex scientific problems today easily. We have traded our deep intelligence for a mountain of cheap, fleeting, and highly superficial digital background noise every day. Your brain is constantly exhausted from processing millions of images, sounds, and text snippets every single active hour you live. When you sleep, your brain is supposed to clean out toxins, but blue light keeps you wide awake instead tonight. This blue light tricks your pineal gland into thinking it is daytime, stopping the release of essential healthy melatonin tonight. So how do we break free from this highly engineered, addictive trap and reclaim our focus and mental peace today? The solution is not to run away to a cave, but to build smart physical friction into your daily lifestyle. First, turn your phone screen to grayscale mode, making the colorful digital world look incredibly dull and completely unappealing instantly. Without vibrant red, yellow, and blue colors, your dopamine reward loop loses a massive amount of its daily visual power. Second, turn off all non-human notifications, ensuring only real messages from actual people can ever reach your visual screen daily. Your phone should wait for you, not demand your attention like a crying baby every single 5 minutes of today. Third, charge your phone in another room overnight, removing the temptation to scroll before sleeping or waking up tomorrow morning. By placing physical distance between you and your device, you give your logical prefrontal cortex time to think clearly first. Replace the easy digital scrolling habit with a physical book, a sketchbook, or an actual engaging offline creative hobby instead. Allow your mind to experience boredom again, because boredom is the ultimate fertile soil for deep creative human genius development. When you are bored, your default mode network activates, connecting distant memories to form brilliant new creative ideas today easily. You cannot create great things if your brain is constantly consumed by the mediocre creations of other online people daily. Reclaim your focus, protect your precious attention, and rebuild the damaged neural pathways of your brilliant active human mind now. It will feel incredibly difficult at first, but your brain will adapt and thank you for the quiet mental peace. You are the absolute master of your technology, not the other way around. Act like it starting right now, today. Tonight, when you finally lie down in bed, your brain will try to trick you once again very easily tonight. It will whisper that just one quick video will help you relax and fall asleep much faster late tonight easily. That is the dopamine talking, desperately begging for one last hit of digital adrenaline before you drift off to sleep. Now that you understand the entire hidden mechanism of this digital trap, you have the power to resist it completely. Put the glowing screen away, close your heavy eyes, and let your brain experience beautiful natural silence late tonight peacefully. Share this video with a friend who scrolls too much, and subscribe for more deep science explanations every single week. Do not let the digital algorithms control your life. Take back your time and start living right now today, happily. Your attention is the most valuable thing you own. Do not give it away for free every single day anymore. Wake up from the digital trance, look around you, and experience the beautiful complex reality of our amazing modern world. Because tonight, while you sleep peacefully, the global digital slot machine will be waiting to hook you all over again.